Get paid per click with this brand new strategy that I have for you today. It is absolutely free, worldwide available, and very easy to set up. Just make sure to keep following step by step until the end of this video so you can get the desired results. Just before we start, I want to remind that if you are new to this channel, just subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get updated whenever I upload a brand new strategy just like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. Without any further ado, let's start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. The very first step is to come over to YouTube and you need to search for the Make Money Online niche. Of course, you can search for any popular niche that comes in your mind, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going with the Make Money Online niche. So what you need to do is to just search on it, and then you can find any video that you like, or you can even go for one of my videos, for one of my strategies, and then you just need to open up the video and leave it like that. I'm suggesting my videos since they are not very popular, just like this one who got million of views and maybe people have watched it, so you can go for my videos. Once you do that, all you need to do is to just leave that video open for the moment, and you need to proceed with the next step. The next step is to come over to this platform that is going to pay us today, and it's called shrinkme.io. So with this platform you can shorten URLs and earn money, and I'm going to show you how. This is the highest paying URL shortener. You can join for absolutely free and earn up to $220 per 10,000 of views. And of course I'm going to show you where you can find thousands of people in order to make the most money. But let's see how this works. First of all, you're going to create an account for absolutely free. You're going to shorten your link, and then you're going to earn money. Just stay tuned for that, because right now we are going to see some of the features that shrinkme.io offers. So first of all, this is a completely free tool when you can just create short links and you're going to get paid. You can make money from home, as you can see. You can just follow the steps that we also saw before. I'm going to guide you through the registration process. You can make money, 20% actually of commission, by referring people over here. So you can even make money in passive income by using this other strategy, which is their referral program. You can do this in order to maximize your results. They offer a feature administration panel. Also, you can see that they offer detailed stats, a low minimum payout, so you can cash out once you reach $5 in your account, and they offer PayPal, but also some other payment methods that we are going to see. They offer the highest rates, just like we saw before, and a dedicated support team that is ready to help you with any questions that you might have. So in order to get started, of course, you need to click on the register button up here. In the next page, you're going to put a username, an email address, a password, re-enter the password. Then you need to confirm that you're not a robot by clicking here, and then you need to just agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Then just click on the register button, and you have the possibility to even sign in with Google, which is a lot faster and a lot easier. So before I show you how your dashboard is going to look like and what we are going to do, that I want you to go over to Payout Rates. Up here you're going to see that they give you $1 of sign-up bonus, which is a nice addition. You're going to get paid daily, and they have a lot of payment methods beside PayPal. You can see they offer Bitcoin, so they even pay with cryptocurrency, Payeer, Web Money, RTM, Perfect Money, and some other payment methods for India. So you're going to see the payout rates down here. If your clickers or views are from Greenland, you're going to get paid $22 per 1,000 of views. If they are from Ireland, you're going to get paid $16 per 1,000 views, and you have the payout rates here. Of course, for the other countries, and for the countries that are not in the list, you're going to see this worldwide deal, all countries, which pay $3.3 for 1,000 of views. I'm going to show you where you can find also the perfect traffic source for you in order to find free audience to click on your link and make your money, passive income again and again. Of course, it's going to require a little bit of time and dedication, but then you can just sit back and relax, and you're going to enjoy your profits. So what you need to do also is to go over to the payment proof section, so you can see that this is actually legit and it's working for many people people in the world. Here you're going to see that people are getting paid through their preferred payment method again and again. They are making pretty good amounts of money. You're going to see this person here that have made $146, this one here more than $100, and so on. You can even scroll down to see that they have like more than 500 of payment pages, and also a lot of screenshots that are from people that are using this platform and getting paid again and again. So what you need to do is to create your account for absolutely free, just like I told you before, and then you'll be able to get access to your dashboard. Here you're going to track your total views, total earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM. As you can see right now, it says $0 because I just created this account for the purpose of this tutorial, but that will change really soon. What I want you to see is the left hand side. You're going to have your dashboard, the statistic. Then you can click on the withdraw button in order to be able to put your payment information and to cash out. You have the referral section where you can get your referral link in order to refer friends and family over here, but even other people, and so on. So what I need you to do is to click on the new shorten link button here where it is going to be all of the most important process. You're going to find the URL, and I know that you have guessed by now that you're going to just find and paste the URL from the YouTube video that I told you before. So you can search for Make Money Online niche, and YouTube is going to give you a lot of videos, but I highly recommend that you go over to my channel. You can find any strategy that you like over here. You just need to copy the link address, of course, and after that you're going to go over to your dashboard, just paste the link over here, click on shorten, and it's going to give you your shrink me a shorten link. What you need to do next is to just copy it here, and you can now start sharing it with people. So of course I have the traffic source for you. What you can do is to go over to Trendry.com. This is a place where you can find a lot of forums related to making money online. As you can see, you have the money making forum, investment forums, including cryptocurrency, business forums, marketing and advertising, and so on. What you need to do is to just click on this make money or even passive income, so it's related to the video that you are going to refer them. Of course, if you get like a strategy about passive income, you can go over to the passive income forums, and then you need to just start communicating with people that are discussing in those forums, and you can just say that you have like the perfect strategy for them or the perfect websites for them in order to make passive income. After that, you're going to paste your shortened link that you got from Shrink Me, and whenever they click on it, they're going to make you money in passive income again and again. And I highly recommend that you even search for other make money online forums on Google in Greenland or even in Ireland, because these are the countries that pay you the most, as you can see. So you're going to target people and viewers or clickers from Greenland and Ireland. So I highly recommend you go over to Google and use this trick. So with all of that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.